Alice and I have a ton of stuff daily. We typically keep it all over there. There's so much of it, and it's super tiring to always have to open them with scissors. But you know what exists? Electric scissors. This will be my first time opening them, using them, looking at them, so we're gonna do it together. Little carrying pouch for you. All right, before we get to the scissors, let's look at everything else. So this is the case. It sits in here, and then on top, it comes with a charging cable and some instructions. Let's look at what you came for, the cutter itself. So it has a pretty good grip. You can easily put your hands in there and hold it no problem. There is a safety switch at the top, so you do have to press that down before you press this to engage it. Oh, it has a little light right here. I didn't even know that. It happens every time you press these two together. It comes with a blade pre-installed, and it comes with another blade here. Before we use it, we need to charge it, and it recommends 3 to 5 hours of charge before the first use. The operating instructions it comes with seems pretty straightforward. It tells you how to remove and install the blade, and then also how to operate it. It comes with a parts list, and this thing is made up of 12 different things. And then a schematic drawing, so you can see how everything is put together. It's pretty useful if you need to take this apart. It's a pretty simple tool, so let me go ahead and charge this, and then we'll try and test it out. Let's go ahead and cut some boxes, and let's just cut this into sections. That was really easy. Nice. Okay, that is pretty good. This is another pretty big box, so let's go this way, and then cut that off as well. Nice. Nice. Dude, let's just even just do this. Look how it cuts. Nice. And then another one. This is a pretty thick cardboard also, by the way. So if we can cut through this, we can cut through a lot of stuff for sure. I think these scissors are pretty useful, and if you want to grab one for yourself, it's just off of Amazon. It'll be in the description below the like button.